Since 2024 is the year to move to unified data engineering, it's important to understand the requirements for a unified data engineering platform. First of all, it's unified. It needs to be able to handle all types of data at all latencies for all data engineering use cases, and it has to be global everywhere. Second, it has to be orchestrated. It has to be centralized. It needs to be visual. It needs to incorporate all of the data engineering capabilities in a single platform. Third, it needs to be a platform. It has to be cloud first today, cloud first, but also retrofitted to be able to handle on-site, on-premises use cases, hybrid, multi-cloud, all of those. It has to be enterprise ready, secure, and it must be optimized, completely optimized for the use of resources and streamlined with a metadata-driven architecture so that more and more of the data engineering functions can be unified. With all of those things in a single platform, it doesn't make sense to continue using multiple data engineering platforms to do the work. With everything in a single platform, you'll be able to streamline all of the different data engineering functions. You'll be able to collaborate, and you will be able to cut costs and speed the time that it takes to be able to move towards generative AI, artificial intelligence, and insight everywhere in your organization.